We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x14 single axle enclosed trailer that is black with blackout package. This does have your safety chains, jack and coupler. Has 24 inches of the black ATP stone guard. This does have your sidewall vents, as well as a nice smooth screwless exterior. This does have a single greaseable 3,500 pound axle with 15-inch wheels and tires. Does have your spring assisted rear loading ramp, as well as your LED drive lights. This has the heavy duty plywood floors and walls. Has an LED light strip, as well as the light switch that is located next to the passenger entry door. Has the Vinos. Once again, this is our 7x14 foot black enclosed trailer with blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.